this video, I want to show you how I was able to make $315 in sales while only spending $40 on TikTok ads. I started testing this product recently and I want to reveal to you everything I'm going to do to scale it, so make sure you are following along. And if you take any value away from this video, make sure to leave a like and comment your thoughts so I can know if it's something I should do more of. So we did 315 Australian dollars. One was at 2 a.m. The other sale came in at 4 a.m. Our conversion rate for the store was 1.26%. Our total add to carts were 8 add to carts at a 5% conversion. And we had a total conversion of 2 sales. If we open our TikTok ads manager, we can see that we spent 39 Australian dollars at a CPC of 41 cents. So on average, for every click on our website costed us 41 Australian dollars. Our CPM was 8 Australian dollars. Add to carts, we had total 5 add to carts. And if we go back to Shopify, it actually says only 8. So I think 3 of them were actually me testing if the cart was working, if the offer was going to the cart itself. We had a CTR of 2% and total conversions were 2, with the cost per conversion of 20 AUD. So our average order value was $157, but we spent only $19 on average to get every single order. And the product we're selling is called the Cart Pro. So it's basically a shopping cart for all of your groceries.
So Jeremy has decided that shopping at Aldi is annoying, the logistics of getting everything home, and so he has bought contraption. When the lady thinks it's good, hun.
No bags, no problems.
Look what I'm saying. You go to your cart, and boom, you just put the groceries inside. And that's literally how the product works. It's a shopping cart that saves you time, so you don't have to put all your groceries inside of bags. You literally just put it inside your cart, push it to your cart, and once you're there, just take off the crates and load it into your cart. Saves so much time. It's so innovative. Nobody has ever seen this product before, and I managed to find a supplier all the way in China for it for a very good price. So we're very lucky there. Our current offer is you can save 30% on the cart plus 2 crates, plus you get a backup crate included. So all the other variants are the cart plus 1 crate, which is 115 AUD. We have the cart only, which is 78 AUD, and the crate only, if you just want to buy that separate, we price it at 37 AUD. And the offer, our best selling product, which is the product we want people to purchase, is the cart with 2 crates, because it feels like they're getting the best value out of it, and it's only 105 AUD. We scroll down, we have the quality section, we have the add to cart button. 2 little benefits. One is no more bags, so stop wasting money on plastic bags. Your own crates do the job, and save time. No more slow loading and loading, just grab the crates and go. I have 3 little drop downs below the add to cart button. So how does it save you time? A little explanation on how this product actually saves the customer time. Is it sturdy and easy to use? Explanation how it's made in Germany, how it's sturdy, how it's made from high quality materials, everything the customer might want to know if they're purchasing a product for this type of price. Shipping and returns, we offer fast and reliable shipping. It just tells how long it's going to take, return policy, things like that. Scrolling down, the main thing, we have the cart plus 2 crates on sale. Since this crate options section right here doesn't really justify the offer we're running correctly, I chose to put this section down here to kind of show the customer that, hey, you can save 30% today, and this product, you'll get a free backup crate. Just letting the customer know that the offer is available. I'm currently in the process of switching from this theme, which is the Dawn free theme, to a paid theme I purchased, just so I can see if this crate option and literally the option the customer sees, like the offer itself, it's more visually appealing. I tried using apps like Catching Bundle, but Catching Bundle doesn't let you do offers for each different variant. You have to do an offer for all the variants, and I don't want the offer to affect the cart only or the crate only. I want the offer just to affect the cart with the 2 crates. So I'm still looking for an app to do that, or in the process of switching everything to another theme. So hopefully that fixes our issue. We have say goodbye to bags and heavy lifting at the bottom here, and a little picture of what the cart does. On the actual phone, the picture looks way higher quality. It's just that this multi-row from Dawn has this very pixelated view whenever you're editing the theme on your Shopify account, but on the phone it looks completely fine, so don't worry about that. So say goodbye to bags and heavy lifting, another problem solving part of the product. At the bottom here, I literally split the product into 4 separate products. So instead of just having the 4 different variants, I duplicated the products and added them down here as a collection, so it makes our store feel more of a brand. We don't want to just have one product in our store, we want to have other related products below that product, just so the customer knows that, hey, this is an actual brand and this isn't just a dropshipping website with one product that literally comes from China, which this is, but we don't want to make it seem like it is. You know what I mean? You scroll down, you have the slideshow, 5 pictures of the customers using the product. FAQ section, we have the little question and the answer down here. Reviews, we have 137 reviews, which comes out to 4.7 stars. Literally all these reviews were made by me, or I made the whole form and imported the reviews myself. If you want to know how to make reviews like this, please leave a comment below and I'll make a video separate just showing you how to make reviews like this with pictures. And you can have 1,000 reviews, 2,000 reviews on your store, how many reviews you want, and I can just make a separate video and show you guys really quickly how to do that. And at the bottom, we just have our policies like always. So I want to break down the problems we're having with scaling the store. So on the next video, you guys can see exactly what we did to overcome that. So one stupid mistake that I've never done before, but for some reason this story happened. So upon checking not only the sales we did today, but the sales we did the days prior, I can see that all the sales were made through PayPal. And usually I leave PayPal on because it's easy. You ship all your products, you just send a tracking number, and you shouldn't have any problems with PayPal sending your money. Issue is, I found it kind of odd that all of the sales were using PayPal and none were using credit or debit card, which if you're running PayPal on your store, you should have like 30% PayPal, 40% PayPal, and the rest is usually credit or debit card. And this instance was all PayPal. So I knew something was wrong. And I went inside the Shopify payments and I had this test mode on for our Shopify payment. And I'm not sure if this was the reason what was blocking our customers from using their credit or debit card to purchase. But if you literally come to our abandoned checkouts, you can see that we have a bunch of not recovered checkouts of people probably trying to put their credit and debit card to purchase our product, but they couldn't because we had test mode on Shopify payments. So very stupid mistake. I fixed that already. That is fixed. So once the ads start running, which right now it's currently almost 6 a.m. It's 5:54. So in 2 hours, once the ads start running in Australia, we should have the payments fixed. And by then, I want to have email marketing set up. So we can see we have a bunch of abandoned carts. We're gonna have a bunch more of abandoned carts moving forward while we're scaling the store. So I want to set up email marketing for the store. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use Klaviyo or if I'm gonna use other email marketing platforms, but I'm gonna set up some kind of welcome offer email. So whenever the customer comes in, they're gonna be showing a little pop-up that's gonna show them the offer that we're gonna do. I wanna do one of those. And also I wanna do an abandoned checkout recovery email segment that literally just sends them 2 emails, one right after they abandon the checkout with a little offer. And the second email can be sent 12 hours after or just 1 day after, and just reminding them that the cart is still available and that their offer is still within reach and they can still purchase their product. And I want to switch everything from this theme we're currently running, which is the original Shopify Dawn theme, to the Shrine theme that I purchased. And I want to see if this makes it look better, if it makes it look more professional, more compact. And I'll let you guys know the results in the next video. And if you guys enjoyed this type of video where I'm completely transparent with everything I do, I review you my product, I review what I'm doing, the ads I'm running, my campaigns, everything. If you enjoyed this type of video, please make sure to comment below, hey Leo, I really enjoyed this video. Please make more like it. And if you do this, I will know to make more videos like this so you can learn and we can both learn together, and I can just share my journey of growing, because I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, but if there's something I can help you with, if there's something maybe you know that I don't know, and you can comment below to help me, I will be very appreciative. I want to share this journey with all of you guys, and I want all of you to be a part of it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.